Fix in 5. Got P0452? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, difficulty starting in cold conditions, increased fuel vapor emissions, noticeable fuel odor from tank, slight loss of engine performance. Now the most likely causes. EVAP pressure sensor defective or out of calibration. Sensor circuit open or shorted to ground. Sensor connector disconnected or corroded. Damaged wiring between sensor and ECM. Charcoal purge valve stuck in closed position. How to fix it. Clean and reconnect EVAP pressure sensor connector. Repair or replace damaged wiring in sensor circuit. Replace defective EVAP pressure sensor. Reprogram or reset ECM if sensor is correctly installed. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly 28 to 75 euros doing it yourself, or 68 to 115 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 492 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0452? The cost to fix P0452 generally ranges from 80 euros to 500 euros, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0452. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.